How to set yourself up for financial success. Financial success is a goal many of us aspire to, but achieving it requires more than just dreaming. It's about taking deliberate steps and making consistent choices that build a secure and prosperous future. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking to refine your strategies, this guide will help you navigate the path to financial stability and success. Step 1. Define your financial goals. Setting financial goals is the cornerstone of success. Without a clear vision, it's easy to drift through life without making meaningful progress. Begin by asking yourself what you want to achieve financially. Your goals might include buying a home, paying off debt, saving for retirement, starting a business, or traveling the world. Break these goals into 3 categories: short-term, achievable within a year; medium-term, within 5 years; and long-term, beyond 5 years. For instance, saving $1,000 for an emergency fund could be a short-term goal, while owning a home might fall under long-term objectives. Be specific and realistic. Write your goals down and keep them somewhere visible to serve as a constant reminder of what you're working toward. To ensure these goals are actionable, make them SMART: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, instead of saying, "I want to save money," say, "I want to save $5,000 for a down payment on a house within the next 2 years." This clarity will help you focus and track your progress effectively. Step 2. Track your expenses. One of the most eye-opening steps in setting yourself up for financial success is understanding where your money goes. Tracking your expenses gives you a clear picture of your spending habits and helps identify areas where you might be overspending. Use budgeting apps like Mint or YNAB, You Need a Budget, or even a simple spreadsheet to categorize your expenses. Essentials like rent and groceries, discretionary spending like dining out, and savings or debt payments. Seeing these numbers laid out can be both sobering and empowering. Knowledge is power, and knowing your spending patterns is the first step toward taking control of your finances. If you've never tracked your expenses before, start with at least a month's worth of data. Look for trends such as subscriptions you no longer use or impulse purchases that add up. This awareness alone can help you make smarter decisions moving forward. Step 3. Build a budget you can stick to. Once you know where your money is going, it's time to create a budget. A good budget isn't about deprivation, it's about giving your money purpose. Start with a framework like the 50-30-20 rule. Allocate 50% of your income to necessities, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings or debt repayment. Adjust these percentages to suit your situation, but always ensure you're prioritizing savings and reducing debt. A budget works best when it's realistic and flexible. Life happens and unexpected expenses will arise, so build some wiggle room into your plan. Regularly review your budget and make adjustments as needed to stay on track. If you're someone who finds it hard to stick to a budget, consider using the envelope method. Allocate cash into envelopes for each spending category, like groceries or entertainment, and stop spending once the envelope is empty. This hands-on approach can make you more mindful of your spending habits. Step 4. Build an emergency fund. Life is full of surprises, and not all of them are pleasant. That's why having an emergency fund is non-negotiable. An emergency fund acts as a financial safety net, protecting you from unexpected expenses like medical bills, car repairs, or job loss. Start small if you need to. Saving $500 is a great initial goal. Over time, aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. To make saving easier, automate your contributions. Set up a direct deposit to a separate savings account so you're not tempted to dip into it. Consider using a high-yield savings account to store your emergency fund. These accounts offer better interest rates than traditional savings accounts, allowing your money to grow even as it sits untouched. Step 5. Eliminate debt strategically. Debt can feel like a heavy weight holding you back from achieving financial success, but it doesn't have to be permanent. With the right strategy, you can take control and pay it off systematically. Start by prioritizing high-interest debts, such as credit cards, using the avalanche method. This approach focuses on paying off debts with the highest interest rates first, while making minimum payments on others. Alternatively, you can use the snowball method, which involves tackling the smallest debts first for quick wins that keep you motivated. Whichever method you choose, remember that every dollar you pay off brings you closer to financial freedom. If you're overwhelmed by multiple debts, consider consolidating them into a single loan with a lower interest rate. This can simplify payments and potentially save you money in the long run. Just be cautious and read the terms carefully to avoid hidden fees. Step 6. Start investing early. Investing is one of the most powerful ways to build wealth over time. The earlier you start, the more you can take advantage of compound interest, where your earnings generate even more earnings. It's like giving your money a job that never stops working. Begin with retirement accounts like a 401k or IRA. Many employers offer matching contributions for 401k plans, which is essentially free money. Don't leave it on the table. Diversify your investments by including stocks, bond index funds to balance risk and reward. Even small, consistent contributions can grow into a significant nest egg over the years. If you're unsure where to start, consider using a robo-advisor. These platforms create and manage investment portfolios based on your goals and risk tolerance, making investing accessible for beginners. Step 7. Increase your income. Sometimes the best way to accelerate your financial goals is to increase your income. While cutting expenses is important, there's only so much you can cut. Boosting your income opens up more possibilities for saving, investing, and enjoying life. Consider pursuing a side hustle, such as freelancing, tutoring, or selling products online. If you're in a traditional job, explore opportunities for advancement or negotiate a raise. Upskilling through courses or certifications can also help you qualify for higher-paying positions. Remember, every additional dollar can make a big difference when it's used wisely. Passive income streams, like rental properties or dividend-paying stocks, are another excellent way to grow your income without trading more time for money. Explore options that align with your skills and interests. Step 8. Protect your assets. Financial success isn't just about earning and saving, it's also about protecting what you've built. Insurance is a critical part of any financial plan. Health, auto, home, and life insurance provide a safety net in case of unexpected events. For example, medical emergencies can be financially devastating without health insurance. Similarly, life insurance ensures your loved ones are financially secure if something happens to you. Shop around for policies that provide adequate coverage without overpaying for unnecessary extras. In addition to insurance, consider creating a will and setting up an estate plan. These steps ensure your assets are distributed according to your wishes and can prevent legal complications for your family. Step 9. Educate yourself continually. The world of personal finance is constantly evolving, and staying informed is key to making smart decisions. Commit to lifelong learning by reading books, listening to podcasts, and following reputable financial experts. Some excellent books to start with include Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki, The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey, and I Will Teach You to Be Rich by Ramit Sethi. Podcasts like The Dave Ramsey Show or the Smart Passive Income Podcast offer valuable insights. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to navigate challenges and seize opportunities. Step 10. Stay consistent and adjust as needed. Consistency is the secret sauce to financial success. It's not about being perfect every day. It's about showing up and making progress over time. Stick to your budget, revisit your goals regularly, and celebrate your milestones. Life is unpredictable, so be prepared to adjust your plans as needed. Whether it's a career change, a new addition to your family, or unexpected expenses, staying flexible ensures you can adapt without losing sight of your long-term objectives. Final thoughts. Financial success is a journey, not a destination. It's about creating a life where you're not just surviving but thriving. By setting clear goals, tracking your progress, and making intentional choices, you can build a future that aligns with your dreams and values. Remember the steps we've covered: setting goals, budgeting, building an emergency fund, eliminating debt, investing, increasing income, protecting assets, educating yourself, and staying consistent are not just actions, they're habits. Adopt them, and you'll find yourself steadily moving toward financial success. Take the first step today. Define your goals, start tracking your expenses, or open that savings account you've been putting off. The sooner you start, the sooner you'll see the results. You've got this, and Finance Compass is here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Together, we can navigate the path to financial freedom.